The CLK system is designed for chain lubrication of conveyors, ovens and dryers in industries such as food and beverage, automotive, waste processing, pulp and paper, and many others. Did you know that 60% of chain failures are due to poor or inappropriate lubrication? Over time, a chain will wear, causing elongation. Above 3%, this elongation accelerates and can cause serious chain link and drive sprocket damage. Its replacement thus becomes inevitable, raising costs. Poor lubrication also results in higher noise levels, and power consumption can increase up to 35%. Maintenance and service costs become more expensive and often result in lower productivity. An optimal lubrication is therefore essential for a maximum chain life. Even if manual lubrication may seem to be a good method, it has many negative consequences. Longer lubrication intervals, longer lubrication times, uncontrolled lubricant quantity. Some links might be overlooked. Risks to the personnel and the environment. Plant downtime due to chain failure can lead to lost production and delayed deliveries, resulting in lower customer satisfaction. CLK is the solution for lubricating chains in the right place, at the right time, and with the right amount of lubricant. It has been designed for roller chains with a chain pitch between 50 and 250 millimeters. It is a reliable and easy-to-install solution for airless oil projection. Furthermore, all components are corrosion-resistant to meet the requirements of demanding industrial environments. Nozzles can be adjusted to chain geometry for more accuracy. They are heat-resistant up to 220 degrees Celsius and have no mechanical contact with the lubrication point, which prevents dirt accumulation and wear. The proximity switch sends a signal to the control unit when it detects a roller. The control unit triggers the piston pump to deliver the right amount of lubricant via stainless steel tubes and nozzles to the right place. The electrically powered CLK unit has an IP65 protection class rating. It is comprised of these three main components: the volumetric piston pump for accurate metering, a programmable control unit that displays lubrication parameters, data, and fault codes, a 7.5-liter reservoir with strainer and level switch to keep the operator informed about the lubricant level. The CLK lubrication system is offered as a complete kit with all necessary components for setup. Individual components can also be ordered separately. To optimize your chain lubrication, choose the CLK airless oil lubrication system. It will help you to reduce maintenance costs, prolong chain life, eliminate manual lubrication tasks, enhance your personnel's safety, improve the lubrication management, increase your productivity, reduce your energy consumption, and contribute to a cleaner and environment-friendly workplace.